Imagine an island, isolated from the world, where slithering inhabitants rule the land. Picture a place, lost amidst the vast blue expanses of the world's oceans, where the rustle of leaves is not from the wind, but from the countless serpents that call this island their home. Welcome to the enigma that is Serpent Island. Nestled in a far-off corner of the world, Serpent Island is a marvel that both intrigues and terrifies. It's a landmass that seems to have been forgotten by time, where the usual rules of nature have been subverted. Here, snakes are not just the dominant species, they are the only species. This island is no ordinary piece of land. It's a place where the soil teems with a life of its own, where every rock could be hiding a coiled inhabitant. The trees here don't bear fruit, but they do harbor serpents, hanging from branches like some grotesque form of foliage. The isolation of Serpent Island has led to a unique ecosystem developing over time. With no natural predators or competition for resources, the snake population has exploded, leading to a dense concentration of these reptiles unlike anywhere else on the planet. This isolation has also resulted in the evolution of distinct species that are found nowhere else in the world, making the island a fascinating study for herpetologists. But the isolation and unique ecology of Serpent Island also shrouded in mystery. Many questions surround this place. How did it come to be this way? Why are there no other animals? How do the snakes survive without any apparent food sources? The answers to these questions are as elusive as the serpents themselves, slithering away into the undergrowth of speculation and conjecture. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Serpent Island, remember, this is a place like no other. It's a place where our usual understanding of ecosystems and biodiversity is turned on its head. It's a place that evokes both awe and dread, a place that challenges our very understanding of life on Earth. Welcome to the Serpent Island, a place where humans fear to tread. A land devoid of warm-blooded mammals, this island is home to an array of uniquely adapted snake species. Here, among the rocky terrain and dense vegetation, slithering serpents rule the land. Let's start with the island's most prolific resident, the green viper. With its striking emerald hue, this snake is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the lush foliage. Its venom, while not fatal to humans, can cause severe pain and temporary paralysis. The green viper is an ambush predator lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander into its deadly grip. Next we have the elusive burrowing boa. Unlike its tree-dwelling counterparts, this snake prefers to stay grounded. With a blocky head and a robust body, the burrowing boa is perfectly designed for life underground. It spends the majority of its time hidden beneath the island's sandy soil, emerging only to hunt or bask in the warm sun. Then there's the black mamba, one of the most dangerous snakes on the island. Its potent venom can cause a quick and painful death if not treated promptly. The black mamba is also one of the fastest snakes in the world, slithering at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. But it's not all about survival of the fittest here. These snakes play crucial roles in the island's ecosystem. As predators, they help control the population of their prey, ensuring a balanced and healthy environment. They also serve as food for the island's large bird population, demonstrating the circle of life in action. And let's not forget about the snake's fascinating survival mechanisms. Some snakes, like the green viper, use venom to immobilize their prey. Others, like the burrowing boa, use their physical attributes to evade predators and hunt for food. The black mamba, meanwhile, combines speed, venom, and a fearless attitude to stake its claim on the island. In this harsh environment, these serpents have not just survived but thrived. They have adapted, evolved, and become perfect embodiments of nature's relentless drive for survival. Despite their deadly nature, the snakes of Serpent Island hold a certain allure. These lethal residents are as captivating as they are intimidating, embodying the paradox of danger and beauty in the most fascinating way. The potency of their venom is not to be underestimated. It can swiftly incapacitate and even kill a full-grown human with a single bite. The snakes on this island are not just venomous, but also highly aggressive. They do not shy away from confrontation, and their quick, darting movements can catch even the most vigilant off guard. It's a deadly cocktail of traits that makes them a real threat to humans, but the danger they pose is only one side of the coin. There's an undeniable beauty in the way they move, their scales glistening under the sunlight, the hypnotic patterns that adorn their bodies. This mesmerizing allure is what draws herpetologists and adventure seekers from around the globe to this remote island. Each snake is a living piece of art, their colors ranging from the deepest blacks to the most vibrant greens and yellows, a display of nature's unmatched palette. And their importance to the ecosystem cannot be overstated. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature on the island. As apex predators, they control the population of their prey, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. This, in turn, promotes biodiversity, ensuring a healthy and balanced environment. But it's not just their ecological role that fascinates, it's the mystery they hold, the primal fear they evoke, the respect they command. Each encounter with these serpents is a humbling reminder of our place in the natural world, a world where we are not always the dominant species. Dangerous yet intriguing, these serpents are the true lords of this island. Their presence, as threatening as it may be, is a testament to the wild, untamed beauty of nature. And it's this dangerous beauty that makes Serpent Island a place of such extraordinary fascination. Any human interaction with the snakes of this island is a dance with danger. The isolation of the Serpent Island has allowed its inhabitants to thrive undisturbed for centuries. However, the human curiosity, often a double-edged sword, has led a few daring individuals to venture into this slithering paradise, despite the risks involved. Over the years, a handful of expeditions have managed to reach the island, each one a testament to human courage and resilience. The first of these was in the late 19th century, when a group of audacious explorers set out to uncover the secrets of this snake-infested land. Despite their precautions, many fell victim to the venomous bites of the island's residents, highlighting the deadly nature of this risky affair. In the years that followed, the expeditions became more targeted, with scientists and herpetologists seeking to understand the unique ecosystem of the Serpent Island. They descended upon the island armed not with weapons but with protective gear, anti-venom, and a determination to uncover the island's mysteries. These scientific explorations have shed light on the snake's behavior, diet, and survival mechanisms. They've revealed fascinating facets of these creatures, such as their ability to survive without fresh water, their unique mating habits, and their remarkable resilience to harsh weather conditions. However, each expedition has also underscored the inherent dangers of such an undertaking. Even with all the precautions, the island's venomous inhabitants pose a constant threat. One misstep, one unnoticed snake in the foliage, and the consequences can be fatal. There is no room for error on the Serpent Island. It's a place where the line between life and death is as thin as the skin of its slithering inhabitants. Yet, the allure of the unknown, the thrill of discovery, and the quest for knowledge continue to draw the brave and the curious. The Serpent Island is not for the faint-hearted. It's a place that demands respect and caution, a place that embodies the wild, untamed side of nature. For those brave enough to venture here, the Serpent Island offers a spine-chilling encounter with nature at its wildest. The future of the Serpent Island hangs in the balance as it faces environmental and human threats. As the world warms, the island's climate is shifting, potentially altering the delicate balance of life that has allowed these serpents to thrive. Rising sea levels threaten to shrink the island, reducing the habitat for the snakes and potentially causing a drastic decline in their population. The snakes themselves aren't the only ones at risk. The island's unique ecosystem, a delicate web of life that includes not just the snakes but the plants they rely on for shelter and the birds and insects they prey on, could be disrupted or even destroyed. As the snakes lose their habitat, the entire ecosystem could collapse, a loss that would be felt not just on the island but around the world. Human interference poses another threat. The island's isolation has protected it so far, but as people seek out new and exotic destinations, the island could become a target for tourism or development. This could lead to habitat destruction, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species that could outcompete the native snakes. But there is hope. Conservationists are stepping up to protect the island. Efforts are underway to mitigate the impacts of climate change and to prevent human interference. The island has been designated a protected area, with strict regulations to limit human activity. Researchers are studying the snakes and their habitat, gaining knowledge that could be used to help preserve the island's unique ecosystem. These efforts are crucial, but they are just the beginning. Protecting the Serpent Island will require ongoing vigilance and commitment. It will require us to value the island not just for its intriguing inhabitants, but for its role in the larger ecosystem, for the insights it can offer into the workings of nature, and for its sheer, unspoiled beauty. As we strive to protect this unique ecosystem, the Serpent Island continues to slither in mystery, captivating the brave and the curious.